Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I really appreciate you tuning in, especially because it's been a blooming long while since I made a video. In fact, the last video that I made was about water distillers and we've just hit 10,000 views. So I really appreciate that, more than you know. I still haven't received a penny for making that video. I've received a lot of comments, most of which were positive, but some people saying, this is a blatant advertisement. And I promise you, it wasn't. I literally just think that drinking clean water should be a birthright. And ultimately, this channel is just about you becoming as healthy and as happy as you can be. Now, this video is slightly different. This is going to be targeted towards men, unless you happen to be a woman with a beard, which I guess can happen now. But anyway, I received a comment on the water distiller video from a lovely lady called Jeanette. And Jeanette said that this was the video that she needed to see. This was the reassurance she needed to go out and buy a distiller. She bought one, she contacted me and said, George, look, I've got the distiller, it's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for your video. I'd like to send you some products. And I was like, Jeanette, what are you talking about? And she said, George, what I'm talking about is I own a brand of beard care products and I'd like to send you some. And I said, you know what, Jeanette? That, yeah, what you just said there, that is lovely. I'll accept your offer. Now, it was really lovely of her and she didn't have to do it. I'm all about exchanging energy, right? If you do something for me, I have to do something for you. And I said, look, I can't just take these for free. And she was like, no, just honestly, take them for free. I want you to try them. I want you to enjoy them. It's just a little gift from me to you. And I said, that's so lovely. Let me make a video about it. And she was like, no, it's cool. It's cool. And I said, Jeanette, if you're going to send me something for free, I'm going to give you something back. And I said, I'm going to make a review video on the product. And I'm so glad that I did because I've been using these now for 2 weeks and I genuinely enjoy them. And the reason I wanted to review them so much is because they fit in to what this channel is all about. Health and happiness and I don't know, what is this channel even about? So this is what she sent me, these 3 products here, and she was kind enough to send me a discount code as well for you guys to enjoy 10% off if you do, in fact, want to try out these beard care products. So what did Jeanette send me? She sent me a beard oil. I've actually used beard oils for a long time. Now, I was never into putting stuff on my face and grooming my beard and putting oil on my body. Like, I just wasn't into that until I tried a beard oil. And I actually found that it turned my beard from dry and disgusting to luscious. Anyway, the reason I love this brand is called CinnamonJones, CinnamonJones.co.uk. The reason I love this brand is because there are no chemicals. There's no chemicals. Everything is natural, everything is organic, everything is clean, everything is safe, everything is amazing to put on your beard, on your skin. And it's cruelty-free and vegan. So no one prized open a bunny rabbit's eye and squeezed the oil into their eye. No animal abuse whatsoever. Everything is clean, safe, natural ingredients from the earth. It's so good. And you don't get that these days. Everything's got some kind of harsh, dangerous chemical that makes it smell beautiful and you're gonna look like this and you're gonna feel great because you've got all these chemicals on your skin that are going into your skin. And that's why you stink and that's why you got spots and that's why you're always obsessed with clogging your pores because you stink and then your pores get clogged and then you develop tumors and cysts and we don't need to go any further than that today. Anyway, Cinnamon Jones, let's go through the products. So we've got a beard oil. Now let me read out the ingredients. Grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, and then she's got a bunch of essential oils in there like peppermint, frankincense, tea tree, and then it says natural and organic. Natural and organic. When do you ever find that in a beard oil? You don't. You just don't. Until Cinnamon Jones came out with this amazing beard oil, and it is genuinely really good. Like, I'm honestly not just saying this because I could have just said, look, send them to me for free, I'll try them, then whatever. When I tried these, the oil especially is so good. It genuinely makes my beard feel soft and smooth and revitalized. It's so soft. If you don't use a beard oil, then it just feels like rough. And when you've got this on, it just feels so much better for yourself to go like that. It feels better with your partner. Honestly, for the feel of it, it's 10 out of 10. Now the smell isn't super strong, but it's nice. It just smells of essential oils. You can smell the frankincense, you can smell the peppermint, the tea tree. It's pretty strong. But when it's on your face, I don't anyway, tend to smell it that much. But I've used beard oils in the past where it absolutely stinks. We put it on and it just smells. It smells nice, but when it's on your face, especially on your moustache area all day, if you're just constantly smelling it, it gets a bit rank after a while and it's a bit too much. Then you've got the shampoo. Now I've never, by the way, look how organic this is. It's all at the bottom, and then you shake it, and then it's normal shampoos.
Normal shampoos.
You don't get that. It's all one thing where it's all stuck and bound together with the chemicals. But with this, all the good stuff sinks to the bottom. You give it a shake, and then you give your beard a bit of this. Anyway, I've never used a shampoo before on my beard until this one. This is the very first shampoo I've ever used, so I can't really compare it. But it feels great. Natural, organic, no chemicals. I like the colors. I like the smell when you're rubbing it in. You get a really nice smell. One thing I've definitely noticed is this. After you use it, my hairs seemed less tangled, like they were straighter. And I don't know if that's intentional on Jeanette's part at CinnamonJones, but that's something that I experienced massively. Because I'd come out the shower and my beard would just be longer. And then when it dried, everything seemed straighter. So again, this is absolutely fantastic and I would really recommend it. And I'm actually going to continue buying it. You've got African black soap, which is what I use anyway if I'm showering or if I get dirty. I'll use African black soap, which is just made out of plants. It is the most natural, healthy, organic ingredient you can use to scrub your skin. Castor oil, avocado oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil. You've got your vitamin E in there again. You've got the essential oils, the peppermint, the tea tree. You've got some lavender and lemon. It says keep it refrigerated. I think that's awesome. You're keeping everything alive. It's living, natural, organic, healthy ingredients. So keeping it in the fridge, I think, is really cool and certainly different. Then we come on to the beard spray. Now I've never ever used a beard spray. When I got it at first I was like, it's a beard spray. What do I do with it? So like any typical human being living in the 21st century, I decided to bring it up on my phone. A blend of rose water or aloe vera juice with witch hazel to hydrate both skin and hair, reduce irritation of hair follicles and encourage new growth. And it says that it is the perfect post-barber product and daily hydrator. We've also got the ingredients, which are on the back anyway. Rose water, aloe vera juice, distilled witch hazel, and the essential oils, the frankincense, the peppermint, and the tea tree. I have a feeling, Jeanette, that they're your favourite essential oils. To be fair, frankincense is certainly one of mine. So this is really easy to apply. You just spray it onto your beard, massage it in, and then I like to apply the beard oil straight after that. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much, Jeanette, for sending me these again. Really appreciate it. Again, the website is www.cinnamonjones.co.uk. It's really important, guys, to support businesses like this, businesses who are trying to do good work. I spoke to Jeanette about this and she literally said that she's just doing this for the sake of doing it, to put out these organic, natural products so that people can use them, benefit from them, but stay safe and not put all these chemicals onto their body, causing all sorts of issues. And that's such a nice thing for someone to do. And she really deserves a lot of success with this. So you can get 10% off if you want to use these with the code, wait for this, ready? Horlock, so my last name, HORLOCK 1111. That's so cool. I'm really, look how chuffed I am. So Horlock 1111 or 1111 will get you 10% off the beard care product. Support her, show your love, leave a comment when you get these and tell me how you got on with them. I think even if you don't have a full beard yet and you've just got a bit of stubble, I think these are still gonna really promote healthy beard growth because of the natural ingredients. There's also a bunch of other things to check out on the website, such as body butter, body scrub, and lip scrub. So there's a few things to try out there. Please let me know how you get on with it. Thanks again for all the love and support. You guys have been awesome. I gained like another couple hundred subscribers after my water distiller video. I got a bunch of ideas coming. I got some more health hacks for you and some great ideas to come in the future. Either way, enjoy the products. Send Jeanette some love on Instagram. Her Instagram is @officialcinnamonjones. Feel free to follow myself on Instagram George_Horlock. I post workout videos, I post health videos, a bunch of different things on there. And as always, love yourself, love your body. It's not forever, it's not permanent. Make the most of it, enjoy it, and enjoy your day. Catch you next time, guys. Hit that subscribe button.